Do you know how to pronounce these words in English? It is pronounced as helped, closed, and wanted. See, the ed ending of every word is pronounced differently. For helped, we pronounce the ed as a t, but with the closed, we pronounce the ed as a d. However, with wanted, the ed is pronounced as id. It means ed endings are pronounced differently. In English, there are many words ending with the ed. We use ed forms with regular verb forms in simple past tense, present perfect tense, future perfect, and past perfect tense, and in all passive voices. And there are a lot of adjectives with the ed endings. That's why it's very important to know how to pronounce ed ending in English, especially when you are preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE. If base form of any verb ends with a p, k, f, s, sh, ch, followed by ed, then such eds are pronounced as t, not d or id. For example, we have stopped, locked, laughed, missed, brushed, and watched. With all these ed ending, we pronounce t. Now, if base form of any words end with vowel sound, or the sounds like l, v, m, n, or b, j, g, or z, we pronounce them with a d sound, not a t. So we can pronounce these words as killed, believed, performed, opened, robbed, challenged, bagged, realized. If the base form of any words end with a t or d, then the ed forms followed by these words pronounced as id. For example, wanted, needed. Now you have a challenge. Look at these words and pause the video and type how they are pronounced in comment section.